Hello everybody, today I want to show you my grapevine, and you can see they grow really good, and you can see I have too much grapes on my grapevine tree. As you can see, this is just one of my branch, and it has a three bunch of grapes on it, and you can see also this one, all my grape doing like this. You can see good quality grape. Here is a ton of grapes I have grown. You can see it's always like this. You can see it. And you can see here another branch, and it has a two. You can see here all has a bunch of grapes, and you can see honestly the tip for grow good grapes is good pruning in winter time. I have a video about how I do pruning my grapes, and every year, as you can see here, I have lots of grapes on my grapevine, and you can see, as you don't know, oh my god, look at this baby. My grapevine is in my yard, 4 meters down, and I got it. You can see this. I got it to come on my balcony, and here the result. You can check out my other video how I do pruning in winter time. And another tip is when you want to grow them, another pruning time is summer. In summertime, just I'm gonna to punch off the top the branches. You can see as like this. Don't let them grow so tall. You can see like this one, because it stole all energy from the grapes, and they cannot grow really good. You can see this is quality my grape, and you can see here is too much grapes, and every year I harvest a lot. In summertime, I told you we have another pruning like this. Just punch off the top the branches and don't let them grow so tall, and that will keep energy and nutrients in branch. Then they go in the grapes, and you will have a good quality of grapes. You can see this one is huge. You can see I hope you like the video and enjoy it. Please check out my pruning video and you will see how I do prune my grapes and how I can grow a ton of grapes on my grapevine tree. You can see here is too much grapes. Almost one branch has two bunch of grapes. Thanks for watching me. Have a great time. Happy gardening. Bye for now. See you in next.